Welcome back to another tutorial on Python, and here we're looking at simple calculations in Python. Okay, so you can say using Python as calculator. So most of the calculations we have in Python, we've looked at them before, but here we're looking at them serially and orderly. So I'm going to say print. First of all, I'm looking at addition. Print 14 plus 10. So if I do this, I'll go back here and save. If I save this guy, I'll come back here and run this as a module. You can see 24. But don't ever fail to put print. If you don't put print, your code will not be executed. And if it will be executed, but you not see anything, let me remove this print and see you and tell you the effect of it. I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to go back to run and run this module. You see, it's executed, but nothing was printed. So always put print so that you can be able to see what you're doing. All right. So now I'll go back here and do most of my stuff here. So I have another one that is addition. That is 14 plus 10. Click enter. I have 24. And for minus, I say 30 minus 17. Click enter. I have 13. If I need multiplication, 20 multiply by 2, click enter, I have 40. And division is what? 56 divided by 8, I have 7.0. And if I need 8 divided by 56, what did I click enter immediately. 8 divided by 56. So I have a decimal number. In case you guys are using version, if you're using version 2 and below, you're not going to have this this decimal number given to you. Okay, but for guys who are using version 3.5.2, you don't need to bother yourself inputting floats. Okay, because if you need this to be printed in version 2, you need to put float to show the decimal number. But for guys who are using version 3.5.2 and above, or version 3 anywhere, you don't need to put any floats. Just click and you're going to get your decimal number. Okay, so the next one is modulus. Say 8 modulus 56. Click, you still get your remainder. So guys, what of our exponent? Maybe you want 2 raised to power 10. How do you get that in Python? 2, put double multiplication, 2 raised to power 10, click enter, 1024. And if you need 3 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3, 27. So this is how we use exponents here. And next one is the floor division. How do you use floor division in mathematics? It's very important, and most of us might say how. If I go ahead and type floor, or if I go ahead and say 8 divide or 8 floor 5, click, it gives me 16. So, but for guys who are using version 2 points and below, you're going to import max function before this can be able to work for you. Okay, you're going to import max function. So we still look at how to import max function and how these guys work. Then let's look at the built-in functions in Python. We have hex. Let's look at hexadecimal number of 1024. Click enter. You can see this is a hexadecimal number of 1024. One of the binary, you have the binary, the bin of 1024. You click enter. This is the binary of 1024. See guys, Python is very sweet. Okay, it's very interesting, man. So one of expressions, you can use expressions like let's say 10.24 plus 5, or divide by 7. Click enter. Guys, it's very amazing. Okay, Python can be able to do all these expressions with ease. All right. Also remember that I can copy this I still go back. Let me copy this guy. I still go back here. Well, for guys who might be asking, is this possible to be done here? Just put your print and put your semicolon. Put this guy inside. You are good to go. You save. Go to run and click. You can see this is the answer. So let me extend this guy down because we still need it to do something here. I can still put something like 2 multiply 3 divided by 2. If I click, oh, I've just pasted this guy again. So this is 3.0. Guys, these are some of the mathematical calculations you can do with Python. You can see it's very interesting, very cool, and very awesome. So see you in the next tutorial. We'll do something very interesting again.